Last winter, I bought a cheap floor lamp expecting a warm, inviting living room, but it turned my space into a sterile doctor's office. Finding the right lighting is frustrating because brightness, color temperature, and smart features rarely align perfectly, leaving you with harsh glares or complicated apps. That's why I've spent the last few months testing the most popular ambient lighting options on the market. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 picks to achieve that perfect cozy atmosphere, and the number 1 spot might just surprise you. 5. Jonathan Y. Anton. When I first unboxed this piece, I was immediately drawn to its sleek iron bar aesthetic and matte black finish. It is designed to act as an unobtrusive modern accent piece that can be oriented vertically or horizontally depending on your spatial needs. The idea of having a minimalist glowing pole to cast a subtle warm light over a reading chair or an entryway table seemed incredibly appealing for establishing a relaxed, low-profile atmosphere in a smaller room. However, during my hands-on testing, the installation process quickly became a point of frustration. The fixture gives you the option to hardwire it directly into your wall or use a standard plug-in method. If you choose the plug-in route to avoid hiring an electrician, you are left with a very noticeable, thick fabric cord dangling down your wall, which completely ruins the ultra-clean, minimalist look the lamp is trying to achieve. It feels like a massive design oversight for something so focused on architectural sleekness. When it comes to the actual illumination, this sconce features an integrated LED that puts out a 3000K warm white light, which sounds great on paper, yet it only produces about 700 lumens. I found this to be disappointingly dim, failing to effectively wash a wall or light up a dark corner. Instead of providing a substantial, cozy glow, it ends up looking more like a faintly glowing metal pipe that barely contributes to the room's overall ambiance. Ultimately, while the Jonathan Y. Anton sconce has a striking contemporary silhouette that might look great in a highly stylized magazine photo, its practical application falls short. 4. Enbrighten Vibe. I was initially very excited to integrate these into my setup, as they promise a vibrant, customizable spectrum of colors designed to enhance bedrooms, home theaters, or game rooms. The concept of placing these accent lights behind a television or along a dark hallway to create a dynamic, reactive mood lighting experience is definitely attractive for anyone looking to easily modernize their home's atmosphere. When I started setting them up, the physical installation proved to be incredibly exasperating. The lights rely on included double-sided adhesive strips meant for quick mounting on your walls or furniture. Unfortunately, this adhesive is remarkably weak. I spent an hour meticulously placing them in a nice pattern, only to wake up the next morning and find half of the lights had peeled off and fallen behind my entertainment center. If you want these to stay put, you absolutely have to go out of your way to purchase heavy-duty, third-party mounting tape. The software experience doesn't fare much better. The lights come with smart capabilities via the Enbrighten app and an included remote control, but navigating the interface feels remarkably clunky and outdated. When I just wanted to quickly dial in a soft, warm white to unwind for the evening, I found myself fighting with the app's unresponsive color wheel and a physical remote that requires a direct, unobstructed line of sight to even register a button press. Once you finally manage to wrangle the lights into place and lock in your preferred settings, the actual color output is admittedly quite nice, offering some decent ambient effects. 3. Nanoleaf Elements. Unlike traditional plastic light panels that scream loud gaming setup, these are designed with a stunning wood grain veneer finish. When I unboxed these hexagon panels, I was genuinely impressed by how much they look like sophisticated pieces of modern wall art, even when they are completely powered off. They are explicitly crafted to blend naturally into a mature, cozy decor style, making them perfect for a living room or a relaxing bedroom sanctuary. The testing and setup process for the elements was an absolute breeze and a massive breath of fresh air. The panels snap together effortlessly using a clever linking system, and the provided mounting tape is incredibly robust, holding firmly to my textured walls without any signs of peeling. I found myself having a lot of fun just planning out the geometric layout, easily creating a custom piece of illuminated decor that perfectly matched the flow of my reading corner. When it comes to the lighting performance, this system excels at creating genuine warmth. Instead of offering harsh neon colors, the elements focus entirely on a dedicated spectrum of warm and cool whites. The way the light bleeds through the edges of the faux wood creates a soft, glowing halo effect that is incredibly soothing. Furthermore, the panels are completely touch-sensitive. It feels remarkably magical to simply swipe your hand across your wall to dim the lights or trigger a gentle flowing ripple of warm light across the hexagons. Overall, the cozy atmosphere these panels generate is simply outstanding. The companion app features gorgeous, nature-inspired animations like fireplace and calming waterfall that pulse and flicker with an organic rhythm. Two, Philips Hue. Philips Hue has long been the gold standard for premium smart lighting, and this floor lamp represents the absolute pinnacle of their engineering. Out of the box, the physical profile of the Signy is strikingly unassuming. It consists of a sleek, thin metallic wand sitting atop a sturdy cylindrical base. I placed it in the corner of my living room, and it practically disappeared into the background, taking up almost no floor space while promising to deliver a massive visual impact. Integrating this lamp into my daily routine was completely frictionless. Because it is part of the established Hue ecosystem, pairing it with my home network took only seconds, and the app interface is arguably the most refined and reliable on the market. I never experienced a single connectivity drop during my testing, and the ability to seamlessly sync the lamp with my television, Spotify, or automated evening routines made it feel like an intuitive, invisible part of my home rather than a separate appliance. The true magic of the Signy lies in its gradient lighting technology. Rather than projecting a single solid color, the length of the lamp seamlessly blends multiple distinct colors simultaneously. When I set it to a sunset scene, the bottom of the wall glowed with a deep, rich crimson that effortlessly faded into a soft, hazy orange and yellow at the top. The light diffusion is absolutely flawless, producing zero harsh hotspots and casting an incredibly smooth, wide wash of light that can completely transform the aesthetic of your walls. This lamp is an absolute masterclass in setting a cozy atmosphere. 1. Govee Floor Lamp Pro. This isn't just another light fixture. It is a comprehensive sensory upgrade that completely redefined my expectations for home ambient lighting. Standing an impressive 5.5 feet tall, the build quality is fantastic, featuring a premium anodized aluminum frame. From the moment I set it up, it was clear that Govee had designed this flagship model to dominate the corner of any large living room or bedroom, providing maximum coverage and an undeniable wow factor. What truly separates the Floor Lamp Pro from anything else I tested is the built-in Bluetooth speaker housed discreetly inside its base. I was initially skeptical, but the integration of audio and visual elements is a complete game changer for ultimate coziness. Using the companion app, I was able to select from 29 different soothing white noise tracks, such as rainstorms or crackling campfires. Having the soft, warm light physically pulse and flicker in perfect harmony with the high-quality ambient sound radiating from the base of the lamp instantly turned my chaotic living room into a deeply relaxing sanctuary. The lighting capabilities are equally staggering, producing a massive 2,100 lumens of brightness. It utilizes advanced color technology, allowing for incredibly vibrant, multicolored segments along the entire length of the pole. A massive quality-of-life feature I loved during testing was the 300-degree rotatable light bar. I could easily manually twist the bar to angle the light perfectly against my wall, ensuring a soft, indirect bounce that eliminated any harsh glare while filling the entire room with a gorgeous, diffuse glow.